Be the envy of your friends in this 2011 Ford Mondeo. Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle. With low kilometres, this car will take you far and get you where you want to go. That responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Make less trips to the service station when driving this fuel-efficient vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.